ya şeyleyen bir teviye qadın gorlarına Umman İslam ine Respublikanın Premier Ministri Muhammed Nawaz Sharif bizim geçiriyen çaremiz hem bir tarihi izin taslamasının hem yol başı komisiyetinin hem de teknik durmuşa geçirilecek bu iri taslama dine bir bize mümkünçülük dörden üreyen bir
We must work together with resolve to ensure that negative forces inimical to the success of the project are addressed in an appropriate manner. In doing so, we must recognize that the forces of violence and disruption can no longer be allowed to threaten the quest for economic development and security of our people.
This flagship project will usher in a new era and transform the lives of the millions of our people, making TAPI a symbol of shared prosperity and socio-economic development.
Premier Ministri, hormatly Mohammed Nawaz Sharif'tan, Hindistan Respublikatı'nın Vice-Prezidenti, hormatly Mohammed Hamid Ansari'dan.
And this project will ensure that Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India will all have a positive carbon footprint. Congratulations on moving the first goal point.